Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video we're going to be looking at t-shirt designs. Now in order to find this function of t-shirt designs you need to select create design, and we are going to go for the fast AI image designer. You need to select the AI image designer, and then you'll see under step 1 you will have t-shirt designs. Now once we select t-shirt designs, there's going to be some beautiful templates you can choose from, and you can actually sift through and see which one you like. So these are really good base templates that you can recreate, and you can then edit any level of text that you want, or even the images. Anything that you want to edit you can, but this is a good way to be inspired by. So for this one, let's go ahead and let's look at eat, sleep and code. Here we have it, and there you go. It's automatically going to give you the prompt, and then all you would have to do within the speech marks, you can edit any of that. So I can say let's just say hat, bat, and yeah, we'll keep that just for the purpose of it. And the good thing is with these t-shirt designs is that you can find other images online of t-shirt designs that you like, and you can use mirror magic and you can simply recreate any designs out there. Okay, so say for example, if you want to create a particular design that's trending well, it's selling really well, you can come here and you can recreate and model that design and make it your own, and you can edit any of those texts included, with the colors and the graphics, anything you want, we can do that from here. Okay, and for this we'll do quantity of 4. We'll generate the image, and once it's done it will obviously redirect us. But the great thing about this is once you have the design, once it's processed, that is the design template that you can then take, you can download, and you can upload it into your respective third-party services, say for example Printify or Printful, and you can then use it as a design directly onto the t-shirt. Okay, so here we have hat, bat, code and repeat, hat, bat, code and repeat, and anything that you do want to change we can just go ahead and regenerate. Okay, let's go and let's look at another design. So say for example this one, believe in yourself. We'll go ahead and do 4. Let's do another one. Remember, I'm just gonna do this without making any alterations, just to show you a visual representation of how it would look. So it's all about your specific requirements of what you want it to appear, maybe your own or clients, but everything is interchangeable. But it's a really good basis of removing that creativity element from you, and you can just reuse or remodel or repurpose these already made for you prompts and templates. But remember, for designs you're not limited, you can use the create from prompt, and alongside that please do remember we have mirror magic. Okay, you have that mirror magic function. So hopefully this gives you a very powerful insight and weapon to creating your t-shirt designs. So I shall see you in another video.